How you too, fam? You're like, what you doing up this time of night, right? Well, I'm eating me what the kids call a spread. I ain't got no crackers. A jailhouse spread. Don't ask me how they know, but I'm pretty sure they know. It's like with some chili, some beans, some meat, with some noodles and mash up some Doritos. I can erase my Doritos like that. But I ain't gonna lie, this is good. This is really good. I'm gonna stop eating. Alright. Bonnets and nightcaps. That's what we're doing. We're here in my room because everything is a mess. I'm going room to room trying to find somewhere I can record. But this, I had to get this out because I had to work the next 4 days straight. I had to get this out. This is just a random haul of things I found. And then a little bit of Bonnett Talk. Okay? A little bit of Bonnett Talk. Let's see, where we gonna start at? I got this spa subscriptions because I've been, you know, in and out of different stores. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but what it is gel face mask with the applicator. You get 3. Let me open it up. Y'all know I'm finna go do some talking, right? Most of y'all said y'all didn't mind, and I appreciate you for letting me talk. I don't know how this camera quality coming out. You know what? I forgot to turn that darn camera on. Let me go turn that camera on. I mean that light on. Let me go turn it on. Hell, if I can find the light, I'm gonna turn it on. There we go. Now that should be a whole lot better. A whole lot better. Yeah, you can see me a little bit. A little bit. Anyway, I got this Spa Prescriptions Anti-Aging Moisturizing and Pore Refining. The grapefruit one is to renew, restore, and revive. The shea butter one with coconut oil, it soothes, nours, and softens. And the aloe one with tea tree oil in it. Minimizes, smooths, and strengthens. Like I say, where did I get this from? Oh, I know. When I went into Burlington's. That's where I got it from. I was expecting Burlington's to be one of these expensive, fancy stores. I mean, it looked to me like a Fred's dollar store. Bigger. I'm just saying. I didn't hate it. Didn't dislike it. But that's what it looked like. Fred's dollar store. Now I go to 3 masses. All of them masses. All of them look to be a little gel mask. I don't know how I feel about that. Because to be honest, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all the truth. I got a bag in that makeup room, hang on the door, of empties that I've used. Now here's the thing. These are empties all the way from 2016 throughout, is it 16? No, from 2017 all the way out through 18. That's what's in there. And a lot of it ain't empty. I just gave up on using it. And a product that looked just like this, I ain't gonna say what. You can watch my videos, you know what that crap was. But yeah, I'm gonna give these a try. Just to see what they do. And plus it's got a nice little spatula with it. And it was only like $5. And then I picked up the tea tree oil. Clears wetness, bumps, miracle worker for visible blemishes. Vitamin E improves the look of skin, and witch hazel instantly calms. So yeah, that's what that looks like. I don't know, I'm just really getting into oils. I feel like the oils are helping with my skin tone. Y'all like my little shirt? Y'all see it? It's a pajama shirt. Yeah, what's that? Oh, I'm sitting on them, Lord. That's when you know you got too much weight. I got this one. I got a pink one. Y'all want to see the price tag? It's cashmere. Feeling. Okay. Here you go, price tag. See that? $3. $3. I believe they got me because the price tag on this one was $1.50. And then I got this one. I love my PJs. Yeah. And it was $1.50. Found these in Walmart. I'm like, yeah, them gonna make cool sleep ins. So, but anyway, this is what the tea tree oil looks like. It says it's supposed to dot. I'm just gonna use this one. I got the 100% tea tree oil that I've already used tonight. I'm just doing this for you guys. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I can smell the tea tree oil in it. Don't know if it's 100%, but I can definitely smell it. And I have been using tea tree oil. Oh shoot, it's in there, the 100% tea tree oil that I just been spot treating. I had this little bump right here. Can y'all see it? Right there. It was aggravating me because it was so on the inside. I put the tea tree oil in there twice. It came up to the outside, and next thing I know, it had dissipated. So this stuff works. And then I picked this one up from Didi's. Y'all know what Didi's is? Don't feel bad. I had no idea what Didi was until I got to Houston. And this was like $5.99. This is rose hip oil. It's Advanced Clinicals. That's the name of these boxes. It's Advanced Clinicals wrinkle oil. Vitamin C rich to even the skin tone, pure vitamin E for a youthful look, and calming rose hip oil helps wrinkles fade. We'll see. So I got 3 oils I'm adding in, which this is my ordinary. Like I said, this is my ordinaries. Like I said, I can't see it. Where did it go? The ordinary 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. This is what I've been using. When I saw these for $5, I'm gonna pick that up and work with it. Cause of course we all know that that's not that expensive. We got these masks out the way. Where are we? Oh God! Tell you what I picked up here at the Dollar Tree. Yes, I got my little cotton rounds in here. You know, the ones from the SK2, whatever. Yeah. And then I got my Dollar Tree cotton rounds in there. I'm just saying. Gotta make it do what it do. And then, oh y'all, I didn't get to tell y'all about this. I have been wanting that Sequina oil. That's it's by BioEssence. That oil is $72 on Sephora's website. They got the Sequin vitamin C oil, and then just the Sequin 100% Sequinal oil. It came like this. Now believe it or not, it was a scroll on my Facebook page, which I usually pass. You got the vitamin C one and then the regular one, right? Well, it was free. Free. Pay $5 shipping and you get both oils to sample. And the oil is $72 on Sephora. So, y'all already know. I had to get that. I've been a fool not to get that. Okay. Next thing I got, I did tell you about my burst bead oil. Then, okay, my burst beads oil, which I use every day. Y'all see it's pretty low. You remember when I hauled this? I said I'm going to hold off on buying this again, even though I do really like it. Because I got me a grapeseed oil, believe it or not. I found this in Burlington for $5.99. And 750 milliliters. Okay. Good to January 19th. It doesn't have any cholesterol, no sodium, no total carb, no protein. So when this is done, I'm going to be pouring that baby up in there. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. This was $9. If that $7 going to fill itself 3 times and it cleans my makeup off as good as that Burt's Bees, I'm good. And you guys know I've been waiting on this. I've been waiting patiently on this. And honestly, this came I done had it for about 2 weeks, but I ordered it back in December for the pre-sales. And this is the Beauty Bakery flour. See, I'm gonna be able to keep this flour bag. Ooh, what color did I get? It look white. Flour setting powder, translucent. Okay. Yep, and translucent. Beauty Bakery. It's just a regular shifter in there, for anybody wondering. Okay, what have I not showed you guys? Oh, lady lashes. Oh, I left the other lashes. I got a set of lady lashes. I want the other set because I want to show them to y'all because I hated them. I absolutely hated them. The band was too thick and they were really hard to apply. So they were having they sent these emails out say free lashes, free giving away free princess lashes. And I jumped on it. I'm finna order it. They're gonna give me some free lashes. You know these lashes are $29 a pack, right? $29. And they said free? Of course. Well, the catch was $15 shipping. That's cool. That's cool. I got the lashes and a baby lash glue, and it is what the hell it is. Told you about these oils. Oh, let me tell y'all. I jumped my fat ass up on the jacket. The jacket. I jumped on it. The day that these were released or ordered in the pre-release, because I thought they would sell out again like last year's. This is just like, I don't know, the bag just put me in mind of one of the maybe Sephora bags. You know, the ones that zip like this, except this zipper is a lot heavier, but that's what it puts me in mind of. And in here is, ooh. Oh, I just balled you all up, girl. There's a picture of Jackie. I'm balled up. Ooh, little slay. And then, of course, your invoice and your 2 highlighters. The first one here, I'm going to open whichever one it is. I don't know. Diamond Glow Powder. Oh, this is La Peach. La Peach. This is what La Peach looks like. And then, oh, it's got a shifter. No plastic, please. Yeah, it has one of those things that's going to take G some judgment to get it off. And I can't even show it to you. Dang it. I'll bring it up close. That's what it looks like. I wish I could get in there. See, that's the down part about nails. It just make you handicapped as hell. Lord, why am I trying to do better? Mouth just won't go with me. But anyway, this is La Peach. And then of course I got LeBron's. I had to get LeBron's on a pre-order because they sold out so freaking quick. This is LeBron's. In case you haven't seen it, it's LeBron's. I really like the LeBron's. I really like all of these. I'm gonna say all. I got 3 of them. The Illuminator, I like all 3 of the ones that I have. I'm being y'all, this the last thing. This is when we need to, let me get a little more food. This is when we need to talk, okay? Sorry, noodles messy. This is when we need to talk. I'm always on YouTube. I always watching stuff, waiting on new stuff. I'm just so happy. I'm not gonna, you know, speak on who video it is. If you know who it is, you know who it is. This ain't no hateration. This is just what YouTube has turned into. It's amazing. I had never witnessed it firsthand until now. I'm just gonna put this out here. I don't need nobody mad, being picking. This is for, I tell you what. If you got $50, you can go put in the trash, set on fire, and burn. Go do that. Skip the video. Go do that. Okay? I'm being real. Don't even watch it. Don't even watch it. But I don't know if you guys saw it. Oh, I'm an avid video watcher. Even though I'm a YouTuber, I'm always watching videos. So I was watching this one particular video about these Olay wipes. Yes, y'all. And you just, it's got the cleaning agent in it, and you just wet the wipe and clean your face. It smells so good. Ooh. Yes, and I saw that and I was like, dang, I gotta get some of them. At least for pre-cleansing my face, right? Wrong. I went straight to the link that was under the video and I clicked it. And it didn't take me to Olay website. It took me to Amazon. And these little boxes, let me show you. Brand new. These little boxes right here. Right here. For 6 days. These little boxes right here were $23.96. Y'all believe me? Somebody out there clicked that link. Somebody like me is, ooh, that look good. Let me go get it. Somebody else did it. I know they did. And when I clicked the link, these came up 26 or is it 23? One or two for one box. One box. I'm always on Amazon because y'all know I'm a shopaholic, right? So, what's it, Thursday? Friday. I go in because my grandson, the 2-year-old, he just wilding out. He want Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. He need Paw Patrol to put his toy up. So he want a little toy shelf. That's on Amazon. It's not very expensive for his toy shelf. So I'm gonna go grab that. And but while I'm there, this thing is still sitting in my cart because I don't know if I want to spend $26 for 33 sheets or not. And you know, I'm like, wow. So I click on it to go look at them again. Yeah, how come these sheets now are 3 packs? They came 3 packs just like this. We'll add that one back. Shrink wrap together. You want to know the price? Gonna trip you out because it blew me away. You want to know the price? $13.96 for all 3. Mind you here, for the last 5-6 days, it was $23 a box. And I almost clicked that box because I just assumed. But with that being said, YouTube is not the fun, the excitement to share, you meet people. This is a business. And businesses can be very, very cutthroat. And I want no part of that. I just want to get on here and enjoy. If I find something that's good, I'm going to sing it like a testimony in church. I'm just saying. Okay, y'all, I'm finna get out of here. Because I done drunk the last of my wine. Half I wasted in the bed. Good night. Stay blessed. Until the next time I see you.